2023 has been an exceptional year for real estate. We have seen the highest number of launches in a decade. More than 4 lakh houses have been launched in this year. And it has also seen the highest capital appreciation in the last 10 years. This year, we saw anywhere between 11 to 15% price increase across cities. This is actually double of any price appreciation we have seen in any year. There is a premiumization that we have seen. So people who are buying houses between 80 lakhs to 1 crore, they are now upgrading to houses above 1 crore. So many people are buying bigger houses. Gated societies is something which people are looking at. While people who are looking at buying houses between 60 to 80 lakhs have actually downgraded. What we are seeing is a K type of growth, where we are seeing that the upper segment is actually upgrading, while the middle and lower segment is actually downgrading and buying more affordable, more cheaper houses. We are seeing demand from end users as well as investors. This is actually the first time that we are seeing so many investors coming into the market. The rental yield is actually increased a lot, and the rental yield plus capital appreciation has made real estate a really great investment option right now. I think the Indian real estate is actually the only one apart from, say, a Singapore or Dubai, which is doing extremely well in terms of price growth, rental yields, and that has caused this increased interest from NRIs. We are seeing a very large number of first-time buyers, millennials, who always said that they don't want to invest such a large amount of money in a fixed asset, are now in the bucket and they're closing deals very fast. We're also seeing a transition from tenants to landlords. Many tenants who have a lower budget are actually buying a property in suburbs and renting them out. And they're using that rental income to supplement their existing rents in the center of the city. We have seen that the rental inflation is as high as 30% in some places. It's the second year in a row. And this is causing many tenants to actually now think of buying houses because the difference between the EMI and rents have actually come down. And this is one of the big reasons that now almost 65% tenants are saying that they want to explore buying houses in 2023 and 24. Another big thing which we are seeing is that there's a lot of fear of missing out because the prices of real estate have been increasing. We have seen an 11 to 15% increase in the prices of real estate across the 6 metros. So many tenants feel that they will miss out, and if they don't buy the house now, they will not get an opportunity to buy a house, and that's why they want to move fast, close the deal and buy the house right now. Right now, sellers are getting the prices what they want. So real estate is always a cyclical business, and you see that there's a down cycle and then there's an up cycle. So right now we are definitely in that up cycle, and sellers are able to get the prices what they demand. We have seen multiple cases where the sellers have increased the prices multiple times during the transaction. We've also seen that when builders are launching new projects, they have been able to increase prices multiple times on the same day, and still the entire project has been absorbed. This is definitely a seller's market. It has been a good year for landlords. They have been able to increase the rents again in the second year in a row. Rental yields in many places have increased. In many places, they are now in the range of 5 to 6%. So landlords are now making good amount of money. And that's the reason that almost 86% of the landlords want to buy another property. Almost 15% of properties bought in India are right now bought by NRIs. And this number is expected to go to 20% in the next 2 years. Mumbai and Bangalore are the top destinations for NRIs. They prefer to buy properties above 1 crore of ticket size. One of the big problems that NRIs face is how will they manage the property. Almost 52% people have said that that's a big issue, and that's why they need property management services. And platforms like NoBroker are able to help them with these services.